and welcome to What Mommy Loves. My name is Ezinma and today I'm going to show you guys how to make your very own fried rice, the Nigerian style of making it. So fried rice is really delicious. It's something that you will see in most Nigerian parties alongside jollof rice. This style is kind of easy, but you have to put some love into it. You have to take time to cook it, but it will give you delicious results, I bet you, if you make it the proper way. So I'm going to walk you guys through the whole process, and I just want you guys to sit down, relax, grab yourself some tea or coffee or hot chocolate, whatever it is you love drinking, and let's cook together. Stay tuned. So it's now time to add some salt into the chicken. So I've used this much water because I want to use the stock to cook the rice. I'm about to grill my chicken. So what I'm going to do is, right now the chicken is ready, so I'm just going to put it on an aluminium foil and then dunk it in my oven. So this way I'll grill the chicken instead of frying. So all you healthy foodies, you guys would probably like this particular step. This is the stock left, and I'm going to put this quantity of stock into my rice, and this is the rice. I have just washed and parboiled it. So right now what I'm going to do is to put my stock into my rice. And now the rice is ready to be fried. Here I have some mixed veggies, and that's just carrots, peas, some broccoli and cauliflower. This is the frozen version, but you can definitely use fresh carrots and green peas. Next I have stock cube seasoning. I've used no stock cube, so right now I've just mashed just 1 cube in there. Next is some prawns. You can definitely use liver, but the best thing I love using for my fried rice is kidney, but I don't have kidney right now, so I'm going to use my cooked and peeled fresh prawns. Chopped onions, chopped peppers. So this one is just the green, red and yellow pepper, and then that one is a scotch bonnet, but because I have kids I don't like using too many scotch bonnets, so I've just used like half of one scotch bonnet. So this one is spring onions. I'm going to chop off the white part of the spring onions and add it to this mix, and then this part, the green part, I'll put it at the end of my rice, of my fried rice. And this is some curry powder and thyme. So this is what I'll use to make up my fried rice. Now I'm just going to add some of my curry powder, this one. I'm going to add some into this mix, and some thyme as well. I'm going to add it here and then mix it so I can put it one at a time when I'm frying my rice. So you guys just stay tuned and you'll see what I'm going to do next. So here I've just put my mixed Maggi. This part is the North seasoning cube, and this part is curry, and this one is the thyme. So I'm just going to stir it together and add to my frying. So that's the spring onions, the green part, and somewhere here is the white part of the spring onions. In a wok pan, set your wok to medium heat and then add just a little oil. About that quantity is fine. Next we're going to add our onions. So I've just separated my ingredients into different ways so that I'll know what to add next. So now you just add some onions and then you add your spring onions, the white part. Just add some spring onions. Add your Scotch bonnet pepper. So make sure you put little by little because we're going to fry in batches. And then you add your mixed veggies. Give it a stir. Lower the heat a bit. So here I've just mixed my stock cubes, my curry and my thyme. I've used a small spoon to mix it.
Mommy, it smells nice.
Thank you. So here I'm just going to add this quantity into this mixture. You could add a little more if you like. And then give it a good stir. Allow this to fry for a bit. Next, you add your mixed veggies. Another thing you can do for your mixed veggies is, if your mixed veggies is really frozen, you could boil some hot water and then pour it into your mixed veggies. So that will kind of make your mixed veggies cool down a bit, you know, and kind of soften up and get warm. Next, I'm just going to add my prawns. This is also a good time to add your liver, your cow liver, not any other kind of liver, but cow liver. You could add cow liver, or you could add kidney, chopped and sliced, chopped into really tiny cubes. I love kidney. I prefer kidney to liver actually. I really don't like the dry and hard texture of the liver, but I find that kidney is so delicious. So I prefer to use kidney, but right now I don't have kidney, so I'm going to use prawns instead. So just allow this to cook, for a little while, so that the juices of the prawns and the carrots and all the mixed veggies mixed with the spring onions and all that can seep into your rice when you add your rice. So I like to call this method of cooking fried rice a labor of love, because you have to be patient when you're cooking it. You cannot rush like mixed rice. Mixed rice is just about rushing your step and not taking your time to make it really delicious the way you would love it to be. We'll add the rice. So I'm just going to add a few spoons of rice. Maybe like 5 spoons of rice, and keep turning it this way. Some people like to add butter to their fried rice. That's another good way of making fried rice. Instead of using oil, you could add butter. So cooking butter is also another good way to make your fried rice tasty and yummy. So I'm not going to add extra salt because I've already seasoned my stock, you know, with some salt, and also when I was boiling the rice I added some salt to the rice, so there's no need to add any extra salt. But please, if you'd like to add some more salt, you could taste your rice. If you think it needs some more salt, you could definitely add it at this point. Allow the rice to fry a bit, and then you can add some spring onions, the green part. Make sure you stir continuously so that you don't have any burnt rice anywhere. And this is it. Your fried rice is ready to be transferred into a pot, and that's what I'm just going to do here. I've transferred my fried rice into a pot. Just like that, and then we'll start frying the next batch. So this is my fried rice with some salad and grilled chicken. This is a typical Nigerian fried rice recipe. So if you enjoyed this video, do give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you have any questions, and also comment down below. Let me know if you tried this recipe and what your thoughts are, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.